In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website fit all screens perfectly. Whether you want your site to look stunning on a large desktop monitor or a compact mobile phone screen, ensuring that it is responsive is paramount. Follow along with these straightforward steps to make the necessary adjustments. First, navigate to the Wix website editor, and once you're there, locate the Add Elements button. This is your starting point for enhancing and customizing your website. Clicking on this button will open a world of options for personalizing your site's layout. Next, click on Strip. Strips are versatile tools in Wix that aid in structuring your pages by segmenting content and can be used to ensure full-width coverage across various devices. Choose a strip design that resonates with your style. Whether you're presenting images, text, or any other contents, this step allows you to keep your website consistent and visually pleasing. Now, it's time to change the background of your strip. Click on Change Background to explore different colors, patterns, or even upload your own images to customize the look. This flexibility empowers you to create a unique visual identity for your site. After you've picked a background, head over to Settings. Here you can further fine-tune the appearance. Within the settings, you'll need to adjust the opacity and color. Typing in 0 in the opacity and color settings will essentially make your background transparent, an extremely useful trick if your design relies on visual elements other than the background itself. Remember, transparency can be a powerful tool in design, allowing your primary content to take center stage. With your strip set up, let's proceed to the Layout menu. Click on Layout to explore additional structural options. The layout settings help you manage content organization, ensuring that your site is both aesthetic and functional across varied screen sizes. Here, you'll find the option to Add Column. Adding columns can drastically improve the flow and hierarchy of your page. Multiple columns help in distributing content efficiently and make your site easily navigable on any device. Lastly, it's time to enrich your strip with content. Choose an element to drag onto your strip. These elements could be anything from text boxes, images, videos, and even buttons. This simple action is crucial for the customization of your site, improving its engagement and user interaction. By following these steps, your Wix website is set to look fantastic and function smoothly across all devices. Using strips and customizing elements, backgrounds, and layouts ensures that no matter where your audience views your content, from the largest desktop to the smallest smartphone, it displays beautifully and responsively. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!